When it comes to smoking cigarettes, deciding to quit can be a big step or even seem pointless, but it's never too late. Here are just 5 of the many benefits to quitting smoking. 1. Quit smoking to save money. Spending money on tobacco products can be expensive and quickly adds up. In New York State, on average, a pack of cigarettes costs $12.50. So if you're smoking a pack a day, this adds up to about $87 a week and $4,500 a year. Even if you only smoke half of that, you will still be saving about $44 a week and $2,300 a year, which could be money spent on groceries, rent, and other expenses. 2. By quitting smoking, your teeth and gums will become much healthier. This means you can delay tooth decay or even tooth loss, as well as decrease your risk for cavities, root canals, and gum disease, which can be painful and very time-consuming. 3. By quitting smoking, you will decrease your risk for heart disease, lung diseases, and other negative health impacts. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, within just 1 to 2 years of quitting, you will greatly reduce your risk for heart disease. Also, while smoking, you are at risk for many different lung diseases, which can be painful and weakening. By quitting, you will reduce this risk. Quitting smoking will also reduce your risk of nagging respiratory symptoms such as coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. 4. By quitting smoking and decreasing the negative health impacts we just discussed, you will also have fewer doctor visits, which means fewer medical bills. You will have more time to do other things since you will not be at the doctor's, and fewer medical bills means more money to put towards other living costs. 5. Protecting your loved ones. When you smoke cigarettes, you expose those around you to dangerous secondhand smoke. This can cause the same health problems that actually smoking cigarettes does. By quitting, you are not only protecting your own health, but you will keep those you love happy and healthy as well. Last but not least, quitting smoking is successful in small steps. This means that just taking it one day at a time can have very positive impacts on your health. Within just 20 minutes of your last cigarette, your heart rate and blood pressure start to drop. After 2 weeks, your circulation and lung function starts to improve and your risk for heart attack starts to drop. Lastly, nicotine withdrawal symptoms reach their peak 2 to 3 days after you quit. For more assistance with quitting, talk to your healthcare provider, and remember, each day without a cigarette is a day closer to better health. For further assistance with quitting, ask your provider about smoking cessation counseling offered here at St. Joseph's.